Welcome, grade 1 students. Welcome in your science lesson, right? Okay, now let's do a recap. Let's just tell me what we did yesterday. What was the topic that we have started in this whole week? First, name that topic. We are doing living and growing. Correct. We are doing the topic which is living and growing. And in that topic, what we did yesterday, what was the main topic actually? Yes, we did about the wild animals, right? We learned about some wild animals, right? And what is that? What is their habitat and what are actually the wild animals, right? Now today what we are going to learn is I'm going to show you a picture and then we are going to discuss what is our topic for today. Okay, are you all ready? Yes? Good. Very good. Now, can you see my screen, children? Yes? Correct. Now, can you name these animals, please? This is a cow, it's a sheep, it's a horse, it's a pig, and it's a chicken. Now, what do you think where they are standing? What is this place called? Can you guess it? It's a farm. Very good. This place is a farm. They are standing at a farm. Okay, now you can see here also, you can name these animals. It's a tiger, no, it's a lion, a cow, a sheep, a dog, chickens, chicks, ducks, and horse, pig, right? And where they are standing right now, in this picture where these animals are standing, they are standing on a farm. Very good. So that means what's our topic? Our topic is farm animals. Correct. We are going to discuss some farm animals, right? Now, you have seen the pictures right now. Can you just name some of the farm animals that you remember? Yes, cow. Okay. Dog. Okay. Chicken. Yes. Any other farm animal? Ducks. Okay. What else was there that you have seen? Sheep. Very good. Any other farm animal that you remember? A goat. Pig. Right. So these are basically the farm animals that you have seen in the picture and you can recall them, right? And you know that these are the farm animals. Now I'm going to show you a picture. This is a picture of a cow. Correct. Now do you think where do cow lives? You know, it's a farm animal. It lives on a farm. But okay, can you just find the cows on the farm? Can you only find them there? No, you can find them at other places also. Like you can find them in the forest also. You can find them in the jungle as well, right? But they are the farm animals, right? Correct. Now what about this animal? It's a owl. It's a bird. It's a picture of a owl. And where do owls live? What is their habitat? They are on the trees, correct. And trees can be in forest, trees can be in a farm, it could be anywhere, right? So wherever there are lots of trees, you can find owls also, but it is also a farm animal, right? Now, what about this picture? It's a butterfly, right? And where does butterfly lives? It lives on plants, it lives on leaves, and plants and leaves can be anywhere, right? It could be on a farm, it could be on in a forest, in a jungle, wherever there are plants, you will find butterflies, but they are also farm animals, right? And this is a picture of a Dog. And dog is also a farm animal. And where does dog lives? It lives in a kennel, but dog can live with you also. It is a pet animal also. Okay. Dog is a farm animal. It's a pet animal. It is not a wild animal, but it can live in farm. It could live in your house with you. It can live in a forest, in a jungle, right? And which animal is this? It's a ladybird. And again, ladybird lives on a grass, and grass could be anywhere. It could be in your house garden. There also you can find ladybirds. It can be on a farm. It could be in a forest, but it is also a farm animal. It can also live on a farm, right? Now, which is this animal? It's a squirrel. Again, where does squirrel lives? It lives on trees, and trees can be anywhere. Trees can be on farm, on in your forest, in your garden, right? So, but it's a farm animal, right? This is a turtle. It lives in water as well as on land, and turtle can be also present on, it can live in a farm also, it could live in a forest also, right? And it can live in a sea also, because turtles are land as well as water animals. Now this is a scary picture. It's a picture of a lizard. It's a picture of a lizard. And where does lizards live? They are in your homes, they are on the walls, right? And it can be in the forest also, it can live in gardens also, it can live on farms also, right? But so it's also a farm animal, right? So that means you have seen so many different types of farm animals, right? Which can be which can live on a farm, who can live in a forest also, who can live in a jungle also, on trees also, right? But they are the farm animals right now. What I want you to do is just draw any two farm animals and write their names. You will write the heading farm animals like I have written on the board, and you are going to draw two pictures of farm animals and write the names of those animals. It's drawing task and writing task, so I'm going to give you 10 minutes to do the task, and your time starts now. Okay, time is up, time is up. Show me your drawing, show me your drawing. Come on, come on, come on. Wow, very good, Amir. Very nice, Alia. Good job. Wow, very good, Neha. So you have drawn different animals. Some of you have drawn a sheep, some of you have drawn a cow, some of you have drawn a dog, some of you have drawn a chicken, right? So that means these are all farm animals who lives on a farm, but they can also be found in a forest, on trees, the birds which are you have drawn like owls. You can find these owls on trees. You can also find some other birds like a turtle. Sorry, like I have shown you the picture of owl. I have shown you the picture of butterflies. You can find butterflies on different plants, right? And on different leaves. And you can also find some ladybirds on the grass, because it lives in it's usually found on a grass. Wherever there is greenery, you can find ladybirds there, you can find lizards there, right? So these are different farm animals. Now I'm going to show you a video. Now again, this video is our Edward video, right? Do go on the website and watch that video later on also. Okay, there you go. Are you all ready? One, two, and three. Can you all see my screen? Yes? Okay, there you go.
I'm a horse. Look at me. I take the farmers on the ride. What is your purpose?
I'm a sheep. They take my wool and they also have my meat. What is your purpose? I'm a chicken. I give eggs and chicks.
I'm cow and I give milk from which yogurt and cheese is made.
Alright. So, you have seen in the video, there is one important thing. And what is there? Yes, the usefulness of farm animals. How these farm animals are useful to us. Like you have seen, what you have seen in the video, a sheep. And what do you get from sheep? You get wool. You make wool, right? And you make woolen clothes from those sheep, right? What else was there? A chicken. You saw chickens over there. And what you get from chickens? You get eggs from chickens. And you also eat meat of chickens, right? What else was there? What else is a farm animal? There was a cow, correct. And what does a cow gives you? It gives you milk, and from that milk you can get so many different things. You drink milk, you make cheese with that milk, you make different sweet dishes, desserts with those with milk, right? Same goes for chicken. You can eat chicken also. You can eat the egg of chicken also, which is very healthy for you. And for sheep also, you can eat the meat of sheep also, and you can make the wool from the skin of the sheep, right? And there are also goats. And what do you do with the goats? You can eat the meat of goats, right? So these animals are all very, very useful. All farm animals are useful for you. That is why they are kept on a farm so that you can take care of these animals. You can take care of cow so that it can give you milk. You can take care of chicken so that it can give you eggs. You will take care of sheep so that it is going to give you wool, right? So these all farm animals are useful for you. They gives you things which are very, very important, which are useful for you people, right? So that is why you keep animals on a farm so that you can take good care of them, right? So that means what you have done, you have done about, you have learned today about farm animals and what do they give you, why they are useful for you, right? This is what you have done. Now, time for riddles. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, the first one is I am a farm animal. I give you egg and meat. Who am I? I'm a chicken. Correct. I'm a chicken. Very good. Okay. Another one. I am a farm animal and mostly of white color, and you can make wool from me. Who am I? I'm a sheep. Very good. Correct. Okay. The next one. Now, I am a farm animal and I give you milk, and you can make different things from that. Which animal am I? I'm a cow. Wow, great job. Very good, class. I'm so happy. That means that farm animals and their usefulness is very, very, very clear to you all, right? If anybody asks you what are the farm animals and what you get from them, you can easily answer that question. Yes or no? Great job. Okay, children. I hope you must have enjoyed. Do the homework, which I'll be posting on portal, and do watch the videos which are already there on our websites. Okay. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day.